Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you how I make my strawberry salsa. I have been loving this recipe this summer, so let's get started. So friends, I thought this would be a fun share because one, we have been loving it around my house, and two, it's so easy to make. You can make it ahead of time, so it's perfect for summer entertaining, so that's why I really want to share it. So to start, you want to take fresh strawberries, and you definitely want to use fresh strawberries. You know, with salsa, even if you're traditional salsa, you like using those fresh ingredients. So you're going to rinse them well, and then you're going to cut off the stems. From that point, what you want to do is you want to chop it into those nice chunky pieces, just like you would traditionally like to chop up your tomato. The chunkiness that you love in your tomatoes is the same consistency that you would want to put in your strawberries. I would say for me, I like about 1/4 of an inch. I think that's the size that is just really yummy for me. But what you also want to do is you also want to cut up about 2 cups for this recipe. So 2 cups of your strawberries. The next ingredient is a red onion, and you want about 1 cup of a red onion, and I say that loosely. I don't have exact measurements for that. I kind of do it to taste, but about 1 cup is what you would put in here, and you want to chop it slightly smaller than the strawberries. I found that that's the consistency that I like. And then the next thing is mint, and I love having my herb garden because I can just go out there and grab mint when I want to make some salsa. And so you want to take, I would say about 1/4 of a cup of mint is what you would add into this recipe. Of course, I'm going to clean it really well first, and I'm going to chop it very finely. I really want my mint to be chopped finely. I don't want it chunky. And if you do want yours chunky, you can. That's the great thing about this recipe is you can make it the consistency that you like. So I like to chop mine a little more finely. And of course, we have to add a little bit of kick in it. And you know, I don't like spicy foods, but this is so not spicy, and it's great in combination with the other ingredients. You want about 1/4 of a cup of chopped jalapeno. Of course, take your seeds out, clean it well, and then add it into your recipe. And friends, this is why I love this recipe, because everything gets put in one bowl and you're good. Now we're going to put some lime, and how I like to do it is just spritz it around. You all remember my little gadget. If you've been with me a while, you'll remember this gadget. I've had it for some years now. And basically what it is, it's a great summer gadget because you punch it right into your fresh lime or lemon, and you can spritz your salads or your potatoes or whatever you're cooking. I'm going to spritz this salsa. And of course, friends, you don't need the gadget to do this. You can simply squeeze it over, slice it and squeeze it. And so what you want to do is you just want to coat it well and then add a little bit of salt to taste. And from that point, I do a little dabble of olive oil, and that's it, friends. You want to give it a nice toss and just blend everything really well. And that's your salsa. And again, you can make this ahead of time, which is the wonderful thing about this. Also, it does not take any time to make, but it's a lot of flavor and a lot of fun, especially this summer. And so you simply get you some pita chips or pita bread, and you are good to go. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing this recipe. In the comments, let me know, what is your favorite style of salsa? I would love to know. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.